Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing easy roadblocks. Confirm Discord has microphone and background audio permission because mobile OS often blocks apps. Once done, update the app. New builds fix audio codecs and networking. Next, force close Discord and reboot your phone to clear stalled audio processes and cached drivers. This quickly resolves many issues. Make sure to reconnect to the exact voice channel and test sound with a friend or a test bot so you know whether the problem persists before moving to deeper steps. Now you diagnose network and hardware interactions. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if latency or packet loss is the culprit, because poor networks cause choppy audio. Once done, disable VPNs and any low power or battery saver profiles that throttle background data. Make sure to test a different headset or the built-in mic, and toggle Bluetooth off and on for wireless devices to re-establish profiles. These steps separate network effects from device microphone faults. Finish by adjusting Discord's audio settings. Lower input sensitivity and temporarily disable noise suppression, echo cancellation, and automatic gain control to hear raw audio and isolate the problem. These features can sometimes muffle or clip voices. If settings don't help, clear the app cache or reinstall Discord to remove corrupt files, and then sign back in. If things still go wrong, document your device model, OS version, Discord build, and exact audio symptoms before contacting support so they can reproduce and fix the issue faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.